Have you thought about your patient, guest, and staff journey? Oh, it's a journey, all right. About 1 out of every 3 first-time hospital visitors get lost, according to a Deloitte digital report. Nervous Nathan's anxiety levels continue to rise because he's as lost as can be, even before he enters the building. Interactive info stations with wayfinding virtually take visitors by the hand by integrating with smartphones to guide them wherever they want to go. DSignage will make your hospital young and vibrant again, with easy-to-use, scalable digital solutions and unrivaled service, which the company is recognized for. We are the glue for your digital signage projects by catering to the needs of all stakeholders: construction, IT, marketing, HR, and C-suite. But don't take our word for it. Here's what others are saying. We want to be creative, we want to be innovative, and that's where DSignage played a key role. IT Manager, Nicholas Children's Hospital. We have always been satisfied with their performance, billing honesty, expectation management, content design, construction, project management, ongoing technical and design support, Corporate Manager, Digital and Technology, Baptist Health, South Florida. They do an excellent job and are always punctual and offer reasonable rates. Director of Internal Communications, Novant Health. If you're serious about increasing efficiency, boosting morale, and providing the best possible healthcare experience, you need to contact DSignage today. Call us at 305-361-0623 to book an appointment with the D Team. DSignage. Innovation wins.